improve. Let's take a look at the Python docs here as well. Let's see how they're doing. All right, calculating.
Yeah.
Ooh, it might take 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Maybe this is a bigger repository, more changes.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I mean, yeah. Usually it will disappear once it's all synced in.
Yeah.
And one interesting quote I read, I don't remember it verbatim, but on the DORA website, there's a quote which says that the real trade-off is over a long period of time,
Yes,
choosing between better software faster or worse software slower.
yes.
So when you, yeah, it's somewhere around there, right?
Yeah, right here. I borrowed that quote from Dave Farley's book, Modern Software Engineering, which is another great book that I highly recommend. The real trade-off over long periods of times is between better software faster and worse software slower. Which would you prefer? I mean, the choice is kind of obvious when you state it like that, right? Yeah. Okay. So it looks like Python docs has come through. Great lead time for changes, 2 days. Deployment, 2 deployments per day. Let's just take a look. Is review time still the bottle? Look at that. Review time is still a significant bottleneck here as well. Look at that response time of 20 hours.
Yeah. I'll tell you one more thing, Nathan.
Yeah.
If you see that trend, line on the top, you can also break it down. So if you click the toggle of show breakdown, just below that, so it will also show you how different. So if you hover with the colors, it will also show you how different stages become a bottleneck at different times. So I mean, when you're managing processes, when you're running a team, it's a journey, right? It's a transformational journey. And at one point, a first response might be a problem. At some other point, rework might be a problem. And, any of these 5 stages might be a problem for you. So it's very important to see how we are progressing on that. While the absolute number might look a little off, but it's always encouraging for the team to become better on that stage, what you're aiming to solve. Yeah. So I just wanted to show you you see that different stages are having a different trajectory overall.
Right. Yeah. No, that's super cool. Drew, thanks for walking us through this. I think I'm going to save myself some money and shut down my workstation